If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and test the connection to confirm it is working properly. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can help with matchmaking issues. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings, choose your network, and select DNS settings. Set it to manual and enter a public DNS like Google's 8.8, 8.8 for primary and 8.8, 4.4 for secondary. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help identify if there is a larger issue affecting matchmaking. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your games without interruption. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help. Happy gaming!